Mon entourage means my entourage. Mon entourage, my surroundings. Now, ma famille, we have my family. These are the briefing of a family. You have mon père means my father. Mon frère means my brother. Ma mère, my mother. Ma sœur means my sister. Mon fils, my son. Ma fille, my daughter, fille. Mon oncle, my uncle. Ma tante, my aunt. Mon mari, my husband. Ma femme, my wife. Only this mon ma making the change. Because when you say mon père, it means my father. It becomes your belongings. Okay? We have here mes amis, my friends. Mon ami Marc. My friend Marc. But when I say mon ami means my male friend. Mon amie Sophie, my female friend Sophie. Now, mon ami, why this is feminine but this is masculine? Why? Because the noun is starting with a vowel. Every noun starting with a vowel will only take a masculine possessive adjectives. Okay? Mon travail, my work. Mon collègue, my colleague. Ma collègue, my colleague. Means the noun here is neutral. Mon chef, my boss. Ma chef, my boss. We have mes voisins, my neighbors. Mes colocataires, my roommates. Okay? Mes voisins, mes colocataires. All right.